In this video, I'll demonstrate using a crochet hook while binding off. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. So using a crochet hook can make binding off quite a bit easier, or not necessarily easier, but is a different way to bind off. So let me show you how to use a crochet hook while you're binding off. So binding off using a crochet hook can sometimes make binding off a little easier. You can use the same size hook as your knitting needle, or size up your hook if you find you bind off a little too tightly. You can size up your hook, and that can help make the bind off a little looser. I have a video showing working a 3-needle bind off using a crochet hook. I will link that above. But if we just have a single bind off to work, we use the hook in place of the working knitting needle. So we will essentially knit one stitch, and then we will knit the other stitch, and I'll use the needle to help pull the hook through that first stitch, binding off that first stitch. Now it's just a matter of doing like that. So I'm inserting the hook into the next stitch on the needle, yarning over the hook, pulling a loop up, dropping the stitch, and then using the hook to pull that stitch through like a chain stitch. Can make this go a little bit faster. Be careful that you don't work this too tightly. That's where going up a hook size could be helpful. And across to the final stitch, and we will cut our working yarn, leaving a little bit of a tail, and then you'll want to yarn over the hook one more time and pull that tail through the final loop like so. And that is using a crochet hook to work your bind off. So that was a quick demo on using a crochet hook while binding off. Have you used this method before? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.